This is Timmy. Say hi, Timmy.
You're seriously taking him, wow.
Say hi, Timmy. Yes, it is, Timmy. I love you. This is Timmy. He has a friend named Fred. Fred is in wood somewhere. I have no green card. I make bomb and put in your shoe. I love you, Timmy. Bye, Timmy. Say bye, Timmy. It's the Timmy bird. We found the Timmy bird. And Fred. Fred is here too. Hello, Fred. Hi, Fred. Fred the bird. Hi, Fred bird. It's the Timmy bird. Run, Timmy bird. I love you, Timmy. Run, Timmy, run. Why are you running from my love? I love you. We are now in search of Timmy bird, a.k.a. Robert. We have Thomas following us too. Thomas is once known as the Fred bird. Timmy bird is running. Onward to the Timmy bird. Watch as the Fred bird valiantly moves through the wood. All right, this here is Fred bird. What is your name?
What's that?
This is the Timmy bird. What is your name?
Marius.
Okay, this is Timmy bird, Fred bird. This is Timmy bird, and this has been a bunny death video.